Introducing our windshield vent inserts for the 2020 and newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. These inserts fit seamlessly into the factory windshield vents, giving you the ability to customize your airflow based on weather conditions. Sold as a set of 4, you'll get 2 inserts designed to direct airflow upward toward the rider. Perfect for staying cool on warmer rides. The other 2 inserts are designed to direct airflow downward, keeping you warm and comfortable in cooler temperatures. They also make a great bug filter while riding. Crafted from a highly flexible polymer, these inserts contour perfectly to the curvature of your windshield. They're UV resistant, waterproof, and extremely impact resistant. They're super strong and built to last. Installation is fast and simple. Select either the upward or downward facing inserts and press them into place until all the locking tabs are securely seated on the back of the windshield. The whole process takes around 30 seconds. And when it's time to remove them, just pull them off. No tools needed. If you want to direct airflow on your next ride, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to grab a set of directional vent inserts for your Spyder RT. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.